Thokozani bazalwane, yo ngisanayo lo mcako at least. Okay, but to take it off. Alright, mengithi ngenze le video ne because I get asked and emailed and sometimes WhatsApped about the Healers Retreat and ngifuna ukuyichaza kahle kabanzi, right? So Healers Retreat is something that I had created and formulated because of the questions that I get asked over WhatsApp, over Instagram, Facebook, and sometimes YouTube. So as abantu abanabantu abadala, you know, some of us get confused ukuthi how do we then navigate our relationships, you know, how do we integrate impilo zethu as abantu abaphila nedlozi, right, when it comes to our relationships. So we were gonna go in depth about that nezinto zokuthi afanele sizenze sizijwayeze zona in order ukuthi sihlezi si-clean, yabo, sihlezi si-right emadlozini, uyayibona lento, because idlozi nalo liyancothiseka if ungathatha ama-steps kahle to maintain i-cleanliness when it comes to ithonga lakho, right? Number 2, when it comes to isimo sempilo nje in general, right, ukuthi okay, for example, if ekhaya abalamukeli ithonga lakho, they don't accept you as somebody odinga ukuthi athwase or odinga ukuthi enze into ezithile zedlozi, how do you navigate through that? Uyayibona lento, abanye abahlukumezeka ethongweni or ephehlweni, you know, like discussing those issues, and also hlampe mekuthi you guys niyohlola how to recognize ukuthi okay, mengiyohlola, these are the steps that I need to take, right? And mekuthi ngiyohlola, I should be able to ask such questions so that nizohlezi nihambe from abantu abahlolayo niculisekile, ni satisfied, nineyimpendulo, we're gonna discuss nokuthi mekuthi udinga ukuthwasa, how to recognize, you know, I know a lot of people say phupha inyoka, so that means ukuthi ngidinga ukuthwasa. It doesn't always mean ukuthi udinga ukuthwasa. There are things to understand prior to you ungene ephehlweni, because as well khona abantu abaningi abangakhonjiswa umuntu hlampe ubone mina, yabo, ukuthi nofanele uyothwasa kumina. So you need to understand ukuthi mongakhonjiswanga umuntu, what then to do. Alright, and then masusungenile ephehlweni, how to recognize mekuthi umuntu into yakho akayenze ngendlela, because another thing, idlozi akuhlali la ngekho clean khona. So njengoba ingahlali la ngekho clean khona, uchaza ukuthini make sure njalo, yabo, awukwazi ungena ephehlweni unodoti. You need to clean. Fine, khona ezinye izinto engeke ziklineke zonke, ezinye ziklinwa uphehlo, but how to understand and recognize such things, yabo. So uthi ungena ephehlweni masese kunjani, umsamo, abantu nje uthola ukuthi you just want to understand umsamo, ukuthi how do you maintain umsamo, how do you be able to ugeza uklina khona izinto zakho zizoqaqeka ngendlela, because abanye abantu bacindezela umsamo. That's it, moqaqona umsamo wakho izinto ziyavuleleka, yabo. So understanding futhi umehluko phakathi kwesithunywa nedlozi, yabo, nokuthi understand ukuthi when, how do you know if you have both idlozi nesithunywa, how do you know if we have isithunywa kuphela, how do you know if unedlozi kuphela. So bese unpacka into eziningi ezihlangene nesimo sabantu abadala. How to recognize if you just need igobongo or udinga ukuthi ungene ephehlweni. So there's a lot of things that are going to be discussed, and then you're going to have a one-on-one session with me, right, on the Sunday. Sisire Papa, the weekend. A one-on-one session with me, and she discusses into hlampe you don't want to discuss in a group setting. Even certain dreams that you want to speak to me privately. I'm also going to be doing a lot of activities with you guys, and so that you understand ukuthi why do we do certain things, why see phehla a certain way, what is ukuphahla, what is a correct way ukuphahla. So being able to understand those kind of things, because I get asked this so many times. If you go through even my message at YouTube and some of my messages even in the DMs, go Facebook, I get asked what to do. So you have to understand ukuthi yiphi indlela right. So I'm going to take you guys, and we're going to be doing and understanding different waters, and what is their purpose, and so forth and so forth. So iziningi izinto ezo unpackwa within those 3 days. So this is something that would be suitable for you, whether you're just looking to be informed, or you're looking to gain understanding, or izimo lezo ophila nazo and you need them to kind of be shed a light on, then this is for you. So ngizobalekela ndani always asking me the same question, and angifuni ukuthi abanye kube ngathi angibaphenduli, kanti it's because the answers are there on the wall of my page, and so forth and so forth, so that whatever you guys need to know nizokwazi ukuthi niyithole ni-unpack kahle. And the nice thing is that we're going to spend the weekend at Endaweni Right. You know, the food will be catered for, drinks will be catered for. Ayikho nje into enizoshoda ngayo, nizothola peace of mind, izinto zibe right. So I hope ukuthi niphendukele nasisulu sibaleka, but I hope ukuthi nitholile impendulo ebeniyifisa with regards to this. And yes guys, you can still book, just communicate. Ama platforms or communicator ngizophinde ngiwabeke, and kube kuhle kwami mhlophe. Thokozani.